Word list. Saw, smoke, road, empty, mount, dry, sink, cracked, knuckles, repeatedly. Saw, smoke, saw. I perceive something with my vision. Smoke, a mixture of very small solids and gases that is released into the air by combustion. She saw the smoke. Road, empty. Road, a long strip of land intended for a transport of vehicles or pedestrians on it. Empty, object with some capacity in which there is nothing in it. The road to Paris was empty. Mount, dry, sink, mount, a hole in the wall face of the head in a person or animal, through which food is taken and spoken. Dry, anyone who is not wet is not wet. Sing, I perform musical sounds or melodies with my voice. Her mouth was too dry to sing. Cracked, knuckles, repeatedly. Cracked, a narrow hole in solid matter or body. Knuckles, the link between parts of the fingers. Repeatedly, multiple times. The knuckles cracked repeatedly. So, smoke, road, empty, mouth, dry, sink, cracked, knuckles, repeatedly.